Hello, Princess. Can you come closer, please? Thy grace shines from land to sea. My princess, none is more beautiful than thee.
Hi, I'm going to show you how to make your own interactive magic mirror using that old PC or laptop you may have lying around. If you don't already have one, you're going to want to pick up a used LCD monitor. 15 inches is a good size to go with. You can get them for about 50 bucks. This particular one I have rotated 90 degrees, but I could have also mounted it the normal way as well. Then you're going to want to pick up a two-way mirror in an antique picture frame at your local antique shop if you can get it. Mount the mirror on the back of the frame, and as you can see, it's actually see-through, but the trick of the two-way mirror is when you put it against a black background, like so, it actually turns into a mirror. Then lastly, you need to build a circuit. If you've built circuits before, this is actually a pretty easy one to do. If you haven't built them before, you can actually buy one of these on the website pre-built, and then you just simply hook this up to your PC via the USB port right there. On the website, you'll find detailed instructions as well as how-to videos, but for now, let me show you what the magic mirror can
do. Be good today and you'll have so much fun. Shiny and bright, here comes the sun. Blow, matey. Aye, matey, we be struggling to get through this fog. Have some more of me grog. Blow, asshole. Nice. Those beer goggles really go well with your outfit.
You look different. Have you lost some weight? What a beautiful day. The forecast is a high of 83 and a low of 57. You can command me to speak on demand using Twitter.
Look up and touch your nose. Today your treasure grows. With this key I break the spell and set it free. A spell I place on thee. Sleep now, it shall be. Aye, matey, a little pirate ya are. Be good to your mother, even from afar. Stay strong and don't be angry. A true pirate then you'll be, so brave, so hearty. Thieves! Thieves have stolen our treasure! Arrgh! Arr, matey, the seas are taking a turn for the worst. Best be heading for smoother waters. Come closer, jackass. I've seen people like you before, but I had to pay admission. I would ask you how old you are, but I know you can't count that high. You know, buying high and selling low isn't a good strategy. Here's a tip. Try pulling your head out of your ass. Come closer, please. At morning, at noon, at twilight dim, you will hear my hymn. What you are now, I used to be. What I am, soon you will be. Of spirits who seek the skies, your riches are on the rise. So sweet the hour, so calm the wind, the sun I see and its golden rim.
Visit DIYMagicMirror.com for more information.
Ahoy, me hearties, get ready. Say whiskey. Say shark bait. Say powder monkey. Blimey, nice picks.
So this is the hardware required for the do-it-yourself photo booth. And in case you're wondering what this box is, this is actually the do-it-yourself magic mirror kit. On the bottom of the shield is a Cduino, which is nothing more than our Arduino clone. Right? So here's our USB connection, for example. The other end of this USB is going to our laptop or desktop. And then all we've done here is we've also used the optional LED lighting control. So I've simply wired up two LEDs to this box here. We just made a really quick and dirty enclosure here with this LED box. So let me demo this in a second. And so we got everything put back together. Let's just show you a little quick demo of how this is going to work. So I've started the software. I'm in normal magic mirror mode. If I want to get to Photobooth, I just flip my toggle switch.
Photobooth.
Okay, so now I'm in Photobooth mode. So you notice that this LED went on. So this is the LED that's telling the user, I'm in Photobooth mode. It's open. You can come on in and use the Photobooth. And when I start the Photobooth, I'm just going to press this button, or I can also press the space bar on my keyboard. And when I start that, two things are going to happen. One thing is this is going to go to red, letting the user know that the photo booth is occupied. So this box you can mount, out on the outside of your photo booth, wherever you want to. And the second thing that's going to happen is I'm going to send the X10 command from this guy out to those X10 modules we talked about before, and we're just going to turn on our lamp, which is going to light up our photo booth, so we get a nice, good picture with a lot of good light. So let's go ahead and do it.
Get ready, please.
So that went to red. Okay, so you heard that click. That's the X10 going off. Our light just went on.
Say provolone.
And now we're just taking the pictures.
Say pickles.
It also saves these pictures to your hard drive.
Say
as well.
silly sausages.
Okay.
Nice pictures.
In the software, you can control how long you want the software to stay on the gallery, which is the 4 squares, as well as the photo strip.
Do come again.
Okay, so now we're done. We just turned off the X10 light, and we turn this back to green. So if you're using this at one of your parties, it does the photo booth, but if you have this free, and this really depends on the kind of installation setup you have, but if this is available and users can pick it up, then they can just flip the switch. Now I'm back to magic mirror mode, and this doubles as a breathalyzer. So this is our alcohol sensor right here. So now if I press the button, instead of doing the photo booth,
blow, asshole,
it's going to do the breathalyzer.
Will you stop wasting my time? Come back when you've actually had a drink.
Okay, so that was with no drinks. So now let's take a little alcohol and just do it one more time.
Blow, asshole! You're drunker than a skunk. Someone get this guy's keys!